Drake Beats.
Welcome back to the channel, to the video, to the vlog. I'm going to be real honest with you guys right now and say Happy New Year for one, even though it's 9-10 days past the New Year. Just going to say Happy New Year anyway, and I'm going to let you guys know the reason why the videos did not get posted in time or before the New Year. The simple fact is I've been fighting with this company that I'm still with, currently with my internet, and I finally got this problem resolved today, and all the videos will be out in the next couple of days. I'm going to just upload all the new videos that I have, except for a couple. If you follow some of the stuff on Instagram, I have those on Instagram as well, just not the new recent ones I have now. And I'm going to go ahead and put all the ones from, the flashlight shootout stuff, but the ones I said on our previous video, I'm going to just get all those out and then start the new year with the video of me opening some things on the channel, and then after that, after I open those things will be installed. We'll do videos on those. But the last videos I'm going to be doing for the 2019 will be the flashlight shootout and the car show, and me meeting a gentleman at one of the car shows. Then after that, we'll start the whole new year. But I just want to do this quick video real quick to let you guys know I'm sorry. I've been fighting with this company and, not trying to make excuses, but this has been prolonging on all my videos and getting things done because I had a lot of videos planned. But after this video, I'm going to put another video right after that. So thank you guys for being patient, and if you guys give me a follow, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified on the new videos that I'm about to get you with the videos on top of the videos of the flashlight shootout and the contagious operation car show. And we'll see you guys totally on the next one.